I am very pleased to introduce you to our new StarWalk Writer software. It's a cloud-based platform that creates a single collaborative environment for reading, writing, and research for upper elementary and middle school students. In this short video, I will show you how you can use the StarWalk Writer to build student skills in reading complex texts, identifying important information, taking notes, using citations, and writing strong information and opinion essays. Best of all, the whole experience is collaborative. Students learn cooperation and collaboration while they support each other building new skills. And it's all done online, so you can prepare students for online testing while they grow as readers and writers. To make sure the StarWalk Writer will support these skills, we worked with EDC, a leading independent research firm. We tested the StarWalk Writer with 130 students in 6 public school classrooms. The schools encompass students from 4th to 8th grade and a range of literacy levels. The assignment we used: which dinosaur was best adapted to survive, the Apatosaurus, the Quetzalcoatlus, or the Struthiomimus? All students in the study had access to a selection of ebooks from our StarWalk Kids Media collection for research. Half of them had just the ebooks and whatever materials they normally use for writing. The other half had our ebooks plus the StarWalk Writer, where teachers can select books from the StarWalk Kids collection or choose internet sources to appear on the bookshelf. The teacher assigns students to groups. When they log in, students join the assigned group and each one chooses a color. Every note that student takes and everything they write will show in their chosen color, so everyone, including the teacher, can see who contributed what to the assignment. This is what a book looks like when you open it in the StarWalk Writer software. If you already use our ebooks, you'll notice the top toolbar is a little different. As usual, students can choose between reading by themselves or listening to the book read aloud by a skilled actor. This is powerful because it allows struggling readers to participate equally with more advanced classmates. What's new is that while they are reading, they can use the crop icon to copy pictures to their Scratchpad. Scratchpad is a collaborative space where the group can save their notes, quotes, images, and ideas. There are no bad ideas here and no need to organize until they're ready to write their document. Group members can go back and forth from the Scratchpad to the books, and everyone can read the same book or a different book. They can use the copy icon on the right to select text and copy it. Copied text goes to the Scratchpad with a citation. When they're ready to begin writing, students open the document. They can discuss their notes on the Scratchpad and drag them into the document. Rubrics and checklists will be built in to help students remember their goals and make their essays excellent. Now let's go to the internet and look at a saved example of actual student work. So here we are online in real student work. You can see in this group there were 3 students, one red, one green, and one blue. They used citations from the books, and they also collected images from what they read. Here is the document they produced. Sauropods were very smart dinosaurs. We are about to take you into their world. You will learn how the sauropods had a wonderful life, how they were always there for each other when danger occurred. They lived and stayed alive in many different ways. And then the paper goes on to talk about the different ways they stayed alive. And the work is identified by the color of the writer. Now, it doesn't look like there's very much red in this one, but if we go back to the Scratchpad, we'll see, in fact, the red author contributed a lot to this work. Students and teachers found using the StarWalk Reader and Writer highly engaging. There was a positive difference in the writing of students using both the StarWalk Reader and the StarWalk Writer, and the biggest positive difference was in the school where students need support the most. In the next generation StarWalk Writer, available now for fall 2015, we'll have all these features plus sample assignments with rubrics and student checklists to guide the writing, and of course customer support. We succeed when you succeed.